let's start with the ninth example, and what is said here. Several forces act on a particle. So this is a single particle here. The total torque on the particle may be obtained by first finding the resultant force and then taking the torque. Okay, prove this. So let's first of all prove the first part of this question. If this is the particle and the number of forces acting on the particle are F1 bar, F2 bar, F3 bar, and that is the particle, and we need to find the torque about this point O. So here R bar is the position vector which is common for all the forces here. So the total torque about point O would be equal to the vector addition of all the torques produced by the force. So it will be R bar cross F1 bar, R bar cross F2 bar, and so on, R bar cross F1 bar. As all the forces are acting on the same part at the same point at the same particle, so about origin the position vector of all the force vector point is same. So R bar can be taken as common, and that becomes F1 bar plus F2 bar and so on up to Fn bar, which clearly shows that it is R bar cross product with the resultant of these forces. Hence this is possible. Okay. Now the second part of the question. Now what is said here in the second part of this question? Is this result valid for the forces acting on different particles of a body such a way that their lines of action are intersecting? So let us take a very simple example. Suppose this is force F1 bar and this is force F2 bar, or both are FF. So the lines of action are intersecting here. As you can see, the lines of action are intersecting. So in that case, R bar cross F1 bar, and the shape of the body may be odd. So here this from origin this is R1 bar and this is R2 bar. So the net torque acting on the body will be vector addition of both the torques, R1 bar cross F1 bar plus R2 bar cross F2 bar. Every time the body will not be circular, it can be of any shape. So from about origin, the distance of this force and the distance of this position will be different. So you cannot take R bar as common. So that's why it is not possible, or it is not valid for such type of body always. Thank you.